Hello, in this video we will discuss how to access your homework through MindTap and how to correctly submit a file such as an Excel file, a PowerPoint file, or a Word file correctly in order to receive a good grade. We start by navigating to a web browser. And from this web browser we are going to navigate to ETSU's D2L page. From here you will select your CSCI 1100 class. And from your CSCI 11 homepage, we are going to select Content. And we are going to select Week 2 and the Excel Module 1 SAM Textbook Project. Once you've selected it, MindTap will open. And when we're here, it will prompt you with how you must start and how you must deliver your completed homework. Notice that it says you must use the SAM start file provided to receive credit for this assignment. Disregard textbook instructions that ask you to create a new file or to use a file from another location. This project is not compatible with Office or Mac. Use Office for Windows to complete this project. If you do not have access to a to a Windows PC, you can find those on campus. We then start the project, and you will notice that, I'm one ahead here. Start the project. You will notice that there is a reading with this project and a starting file. The starting file will be new _Microsoft _Excel _workbook and then your name. You must use this file in order to receive credit for your homework. Select this file and you will download it. You'll see it in the taskbar. If not, it'll be in your downloads. Click it and an Excel sheet will pop up. You will do all of your editing within this Excel sheet. You'll notice that the Excel sheet has your name and the listings that are used for it. Once we've completed our homework, we will hit continue. And from there, you will drag and drop your completed homework into this little box right here. It must be this file name. It is what it expects. Please follow these instructions. Thank you.